Hello friends, and welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. So this room, I actually am not sure if you guys have seen this room before or not. Often it's covered in toys, I'm not gonna lie. But this is the kids' playroom. And currently in this space, we have a blank wall. My daughter is going to be going into transitional kindergarten this coming school year, so I thought it would be fun to incorporate more of the things that she's going to be learning so I can start practicing with her over the summer. Something you guys don't know about me is that I have an educational background. I used to work with special needs kiddos as a ABA or Applied Behavior Analysis therapist for many years for our local school district. So the first thing I'm doing is popping out all of these numbers, the months, the year for the calendar. Now, for those of you that have a husband like mine that hate putting holes in the walls, but he's married to someone like me that loves to change things up frequently, this is my resolution to that. So not a single hole is going to be put into this wall. So I asked my husband to get me a foam board, and he came back with this, which is totally fine. This material is more of what you would use for like a yard sign with like stakes in it, if that makes sense. So I sized mine to the wall. I used our light switch as like my point of reference for sizing. I knew I wanted it pretty big, and this cut like butter with just scissors. And you can see here that I was very excited because I didn't have to cut this down anymore. My first try was spot on. So I did use bulletin board paper, but just so you guys know, you don't have to use it. You could use a tablecloth from the dollar store. You could use wrapping paper. It does not have to be the bulletin board paper, but I wanted it aesthetically pleasing. So I did go ahead and grab this. I did get it from Amazon, but I know Lakeshore also has it. Now, this bulletin border is from Amazon. They have them pretty much anywhere. They do have them from the dollar store. And in just a minute, I'm going to be showing you guys a way you can actually stack them. I didn't end up doing that this time, but with each season, I'm going to be changing this out. So I often will layer my borders. These bulletin borders were from the dollar store, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you layer them. I did not end up layering them in this video. And as promised, no holes went into these walls. So using my handy dandy command strips, I placed 4 on the top, and then I went ahead and positioned it on the wall. I intentionally didn't place the command strips on the bottom yet because I knew I needed to position this on the wall correctly. And since I was impatient and didn't wait for my husband, I just decided to stick it up there, step back, see if it looked right. It wasn't. So I go ahead and fix that. And then I place the command strips on the bottom. This alphabet rug was from Amazon, and they do have bigger sizes. I knew I didn't want a large rug in this space, so this actually worked out perfectly. My daughter recently had her TK assessment, and writing her name was something that she struggled with. So writing her name on a piece of paper and slipping it into these dry erase pockets is a really easy way for us to be able to practice her name. These dry erase pockets are also really helpful and handy when you need to practice their letters, their numbers, their shapes. So Paisley chose parts of an apple to be what is displayed over here right now, but as you can see, we're going to be changing this out seasonally as well. Over in this corner, I did put some different activities for us to start doing together. She does love this dot-to-dot art. It's something that I also use when I work for the school district with the kiddos, and they also absolutely love it. Now, I'm the first to admit I change up this playroom very frequently, but we also have this book wall in our playroom, and each season has its own set of books, and changing them out with the seasons really keeps my daughter engaged and interested in reading. These posters also came in the pack, but they're not educationally appropriate yet, so we're going to hold off on putting them up for now. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you get notified anytime that I post a new video. Until the next one, bye guys.